welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura. If you are new here, thank you for joining me for today's practice. Today I have a little helper, as you can see, so hopefully she is a good girl and in a moment goes to lie down, but I'm looking after her for a few days, so she has to join me today. Today's practice is a short practice designed for maybe when you are traveling or when you are just very short on space. Even if you don't have a yoga mat, this is a great practice to do wherever you are. So I've obviously got a mat because I'm filming in my yoga room, but if you don't have a mat, don't worry. Hopefully this one will be fine without. We're just going to be standing the whole time, and hopefully just stretch everything out, open everything up and leave you feeling a little bit open and energized. We're going to start standing, obviously. So coming to stand, top of the mat if you've got one, or wherever you are, just standing in your space. Feet about hip distance apart, relax your shoulders, grow nice and tall through the spine. And when you're ready, just close down your eyes. And we'll start by just taking a big breath in through the nose. Open the mouth, exhale, let it go. Just like that, deep breath in. Open the mouth, release. Beautiful, and then just continue to breathe in and out of your nose, finding a calm, steady breath. And then as you continue to breathe, we'll just start by dropping your right ear over to your right shoulder. Feeling the left neck stretch open, reach your left fingertips down, take a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Beautiful, and then inhale, bring your head back to neutral. And then exhale, drop the left ear to the left shoulder, reach your right fingertips down, feeling the stretch through the right side of the neck. Beautiful, bring your chin back to center, take an inhale. And then again, exhale over to the right. Inhale back through center. Exhale over to the left. Lovely, inhale back to center. This time exhale, bring your chin to your chest. Interlace your hands behind the back of the head. Find a little bend into your knees. You might open the eyes here if they're closed, and just let the elbows drop down towards the mat. Think cat-cow movements with the spine. On an inhale, we're going to send the belly forwards, lift the chin and chest, drop the head into the hands, open the front body. And then exhale, round the spine, bend the knees, pull your hips forwards, chin to chest. Again, inhale, stand up, stretch open through the front body. Exhale, roll forwards, curl, turn in. One more time, inhale, drop the head into the hands, stretch, open up. Exhale, bends the knees, chin to chest, and rounds the spine. Beautiful. On an inhale, stand up to straight. Keep the fingers interlaced. Start to press the palms up to the sky. Take a big stretch. Inhale. And then exhale, release the interlace. Start to fold all the way down. Soft knees, letting your head be heavy. Take a moment just to sway a little bit here, side to side, releasing into the legs, the lower back, the hamstrings. Beautiful. Eventually finding stillness. Head is heavy, bending the knees. Start to roll all the way up, vertebrae by vertebrae. And once you get up, inhale, head up, arms up, reach tall. And then exhale, bring your hands to your heart center. Really, really nice. On an inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, forward fold, soft knees, hands down, head in. Inhale, halfway lift, hands slide to your shins, lengthen your back. And then refold as you exhale. Back to standing, inhale, reach your arms all the way up, tall mountain. Refold, exhale, right back down, bends the knees as much as needed. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. And then refold as you exhale. Inhale to standing, reach up all the way to the sky. And then exhale, bring your hands to your heart center. Beautiful. Heel toe your feet closer together. Release your arms by your sides. This time on an inhale, bend your knees, sink the hips, find a chair pose, Utkatasana. On an exhale, forward fold, straighten the legs, hands down, head in. We're going to repeat that. Bend the knees. Inhale, chair pose, Utkatasana. Exhale, straighten the legs and fold. Inhale, bend the knees, chair pose, Utkatasana. Exhale, straighten and fold. Last time, inhale, bend the knees, Utkatasana, chair pose, hold. Start to shift the weight into your right leg. Start to straighten the right leg, bring your left knee into your chest. Take your hands around the front of that left shin, give it a squeeze. Finding a balance as you just circle the ankle a few times going one way. Lovely, and circle it going the other way. Good, hold it there. Keep your left hand to your shin, bring your right hand to your hip, grow nice and tall, take an inhale. On an exhale, start to open that left knee out to the left. Hold there, breathe in. Hold there, breathe out. Beautiful. Inhale, bring it back to center. Keep that knee lifted, bring both hands to your hips. And then step that left foot in front of your right foot, you're crisscrossing the ankles. On an inhale, circle your arms to the sky, reach. Exhale, forward fold. You can bend the knees, you can have your hands to the legs, maybe blocks, let your head be heavy. You should feel a deep stretch all down the back of the right leg, calf, hamstring. Big breath in. And big breath out. Beautiful. On an inhale, gaze slightly forwards. We're going to bring the weight into the front foot and then step the right foot all the way to the back of the room. Turn your back foot flat and we're just going to cartwheel into a warrior two. Again, you don't need a mat, so don't worry about alignment. Just bend into that front knee. Spread the arms, maybe gazing towards the front hand. Big breath in here. And big breath out. Lovely. Inhale, reverse your warrior. Stretch the top arm up. Feel the stretch through the side body. And then on an exhale, bring your forearm to your thigh for side angle. Reach that right arm up to the sky or over the ear. Turning the chest, always the option to lower the bottom hands to a block or the floor. Breathing in. And breathing out. Lovely. Inhale, rise back up, arms to a T. Start to straighten your front leg and we're going to turn our heels in, our toes out. Hands come to heart. We're going to squat down into a goddess. Once you're in goddess, bring your hands onto the tops of your thighs. I'll just turn around so you can see me. Take an inhale, lift the chin in the chest. And then on an exhale, dip your right shoulder into the center, gaze over your left. Inhale, bring back to center. Exhale, dip to the left, look over the right. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, straighten the legs, hands to the heart. Turn your toes in and start to fold into a straddle. Hands to the ground, legs or blocks. Let your head be heavy. Take a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Beautiful. Breathing in, lengthen your spine. Exhale, little bend in the knees, hands to hips. Stand all the way up. Start to heel toe your feet together and then come back to a standing position. Beautiful. Standing maybe at the top of your space or just exactly where you are. From there, we're going to shift our weight into our left foot. Draw the right knee into your chest. Holding there. And then take your hands around your shin. Give it a squeeze, grow nice and tall. Circle your right ankle a few times going one way. And then reverse it, take it the other way. Good, holding onto that right knee, bring your left hand to your hip. Start to open the right knee to the right. Good, take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Good, bring the leg back to center, both hands to hips, hold there. Step that right foot in front of the left foot, you're crisscrossing the ankles. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. And then exhale, we're going to fold all the way down to the ground. Let your head be heavy. Let your knees bent as much as needed. Deep stretch now through the back of that left leg. Take a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Lovely. From there, shift your weight into your front right foot. We're going to step the left foot to the back of the room. Turn the back foot flat. Open up into a warrior two. Bend into that front right knee. Spread the arms. Breathe in. Breathe out. Beautiful. Inhale, reverse your warrior. Reach the right arm to the back. Left hand slides down the left leg. And then side angle, right forearm to thigh, left arm up. Maybe right hands to floor or block, opening up through the chest. Holding as you breathe in. Holding as you breathe out. Beautiful. On your next breath in, rise back up. We're going to turn the left heel in, hands to the heart, and again find that goddess. This time find a little pulse, just opening in the inner thighs. Just a little pulse for 4, 3, 2, 1. Straighten the legs, turn your toes in and start to fold. Hands to floor, blocks or legs, let your head be heavy. Maybe this time just bend into one knee and then bend into the other knee. Just finding a little bit of movement, maybe just find stillness. Perfect, and then find stillness if you found movement. Inhale, look forwards. Little bend in the knees, hands to hips. Straighten, come all the way up. Heel toe your feet together. Good, stay where you are, or again turn to face the front of your space. Bring your feet about hip distance apart, hands to heart center, close your eyes. On an inhale, reach your prayer hands up to the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, refold, just a half salutation to reset. Inhale, back to standing. Exhale, hands to heart, keeping the eyes closed or reclosing them if not. Take a full breath in. Open the mouth, release. Let the breath slow. Notice how you're feeling. Maybe there's a subtle shift in energy, in openness in the body. And then just drop your forehead to your fingertips, acknowledging the fact that you showed up. You took just this short amount of time to support your body, your mind. Thank yourself for that. And as always, thank you for allowing me to guide you through this practice. Namaste, everyone.